Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. So we're going to do part 2 of planning the problem and solution. Today we're going to focus on the solution. So yesterday we came up with a problem for our fairy tale, illustrated a picture to go along with it for when we begin to write our stories. Remember, we're brainstorming and getting all our ideas down onto paper. So today we're going to talk about the solution in a story. Planning the solution is how the problem is fixed or solved. So for instance, in Snow White, the princess woke up because the prince gave her a kiss and she was able to wake from that deep sleep that she was in because of the prince. So today we are going to focus on our fairy tales. So yesterday, or last week actually, I talked about how there was a problem, and the problem in the story was that the evil witch in my story took Tricella, who was my heroine, away because she wants her beauty, right? And so she took her away to her old house that she has and locked her away in a room. So today now I want to think about what is the solution to my fairy tale going to be? Who is going to come and rescue her, and how is this going to be solved or fixed at the end of my fairy tale? Okay, so I know that Princess Tricella was captured by the evil witch and locked in a room. Now I want to think, what is that solution? So I'm going to think about my characters, and I'm going to add my helper in to help come and save the princess. So I'm going to put down that to have Elfrin wave his wand, right, because it's magical, and to ask to be brought to where Tricella is. And Elfrin and the evil witch will fight using their magical wands. And in the end, Elfrin kills the evil witch and rescues the princess. That's how my story is going to be solved. So today, you are going to think about on your planning sheet, okay, that's on Seesaw, you are going to think about, okay, the problem in your story, right, is based on what the villain likes to have from the hero or heroine. So my villain wants the beauty of the princess in my fairy tale. Okay, so now I have to think about what is that solution. So they have to go hand in hand together. So today you are going to think about what is the solution for your fairy tale. Okay, so when you begin to brainstorm, I want you to brainstorm in your writer's notebooks first. Get all of that information down onto paper. You're going to think about your solution. Okay, and you're going to think about the problem and how it is connected to what does that villain want from your hero / heroine. Okay, and the problem could be also what is, how is this going to be solved at the end? So today you will answer part 2 of the planning process. You will complete the solution in your fairy tale today. Okay, you can create an illustration to help you go along with it if that's going to help you draw a picture to think about what that solution will be. Okay, remember, you're just writing a few sentences because this is the planning part of our writing. Okay, in the end, we're going to be then doing a big piece of planning that out. All right, boys and girls, so today, remember, you're going off and planning that solution for your story. All right, have fun.